Yeah, I have no idea what the heck this thing is. Welcome to another episode of 6% Recycled. I'm back at the junkyard finally. The weather's decent enough. I'm going to try to find some parts for some friends. Also got to find some stuff for the chambler, wiper motor, some other things, and try to size the rear axle for the Honda. So, let's do it. It's a Nissan 240 that's been stripped completely bare. This thing has been torn to shreds. That can help me with what I'm doing, but it is kind of cool to see one, especially in this condition. Torn down to this level. That isn't going to help me much. I'm actually trying to find a mid-2000s Jetta for the wiper motor, or something sort of equivalent. It's more of a size thing than anything else, so hopefully we'll find something. 1989 28. Not much left. It was originally a reddish orange. And the Porsche's right next to a very roasted out car. Completely destroyed and powdered. Definitely looks like an engine fire. Possibly an accident causing an engine fire. I hope everybody's alright. This thing definitely burned pretty good. It's 2018 Nissan Rogue. I found a nice little wiper motor on this BMW. Let's see if it's actually going to be usable. A lot of random crap to take off first, like the wiper arms and this trim piece. Random doodads. Nothing like making something overcomplicated. Time to get out the hammer. Fix it. Theoretically, just need to get this plastic shroud away, then I can get the motor out. I can't cut it with the world's most dull pair of side cutters. Let's just start. Don't want to lose that. That's no better. That's what I couldn't see the motors off to the side more. Just wasted all that time for nothing. Oh well. Maybe this little Honda will yield better results. I might be able to get this off. It's sort of smaller. I'm gonna have to get this arm off. Oh. Maybe just get a little pressure, it'll pop the splines off. I don't want to do that, but I guess I'm going to. Hey, there you go. Oh, let's see how this works. Oh, good, not bad. Oh, hell. Oop. I was lucky. Got to pull the whole transmission assembly out, flip the motor over to see how it mounts. It is smaller, hopefully it'll work. Sit on it. Hopefully this, no, there's one more nut in the bottom. There we go. I'm gonna take it. No guarantees, but it's better than what I got, which is pretty much nothing. Motor off, so I'm gonna grab the wiring and move on to the next car. Action shot. Whoa. Camera's moving. On the next car. No shit, that actually is a Jetta. Just a little too new, so I'll see if I can find a 2010, see, compare those motors, but that's theoretically what I was looking for. And this is a 2012 Polo Green Mini Cooper. Hopefully this will take it. If you ever wonder how you get these little connectors off, they actually have a ball and socket, and you just pry against them. You find leverage to pry against them, and they pop off. Go ahead and pull the wiper motor in the arm, and hopefully I can get this motor out. It looks like it might be a little smaller than the one from VW. Leverage, yeah, a little leverage to work that off. It's the arm. It's the actual arm that mounts the motor that allows the wipers to rotate. Both of these were T30s. So far they're coming off, knock on wood. Just gonna cut the electrical. I'm gonna have to wire it into the chambler anyway. So that actually might be perfect. That's really small. Fingers crossed. I have absolutely no idea what this thing is. It says it's a 2016 assembled title. It's got a decent cage in it, and whatever it was is likely fiberglass because it's roached. Teeny weeny little turbos all the way at the back. And this front engine, it smells of gas. I'll ask you the front, but I'm assuming since it has the assembled listing on it that it's probably, they're not going to know anything more, but see, it's a neat car. Interesting to know what it is. It looks like it's a 6-cylinder of some sort, but it's so burnt I just can't tell. And from the seating position, yeah, I have no idea what the heck this thing is. It's one crispified Porsche. This is just the Junkyard run of car fires. I don't know what's going on, but this is definitely the day of crispy cars. 2004 Porsche Cayenne that's BBQ'd. I've got to get an axle for that on Chero, so I'm trying to measure some of the axle at Junkyard. So an old F-150, it's 57 inside drum, the inside drum face, and another 4 with the drums. So it's probably going to be a little too wide, but I'm going to check. One squished YJ. It's a shame. Hopefully it was hurt again. Sahara is just top of the line back in this day and age. Yeah, it's seen better days, but still savable. It was. I don't think this is gonna. Oh, it did open. Oh, that sucks. Not been a fun place to be. Yeah, I really hope nobody got hurt. I'm gonna have to use one of these back windows from a Ford Explorer Sport Track. It's 49 inches from edge to edge. The window in the center is 31. This allowed me to have a roll-up window in the back of the Chero, and I have to come back and get another one because I don't have the time or the tools for this one. Next time. Day. Need a day horn for the chambler. Probably just grab them both. There's one on the other side as well. I won't be grabbing the one on the driver's side. The connector's actually snapped off. Bye bye, Jeep. That's too bad. Something you never see in empty row. They're going to be refilling it. And I need the center to that wheel that's supporting the van. I'm going to try to take it off. Wish me luck. I'm underneath the van and the wheel is right there. Wonder if I can get it. The only nice thing is it's quite a bit cooler under here. Second trip back to the junkyard. A little warmer than the first. need this center cap because on the first highway trip with the chambler, the center cap fell off. So this one might be just as bad as that one. I really just need the retainer pieces. These little guys right here clamp onto the backing plate on that center cap, so I need these. That was fun. Those little metal clips go on the plastic standoffs. I have a center cap that's in much better shape than this. It doesn't have the retainers, so hopefully we'll convert it. Or should I say, hopefully I'll be able to steal these off there and glue it to the other one. Thank you for watching another Junkyard episode. I got the 2 wiper motors, which I think one of them is going to work out. I'm not sure which one yet. This one has a deeper set, so it might work better in the car, but you'll see that in a future video with the chambler. I was able to use the retainers on the better center cap, and it fell off again when I was driving in an event this last weekend. Thankfully, another one of my Jeep friends was able to find it, so I'll have to find a better way to glue that on, but at least I still have the center cap, so that's a good thing. Like, share, subscribe. Let me know what you like, what you don't like. I can't make the channel better unless you let me know. And without you, there's no channel. So, see you next time.